Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about the Braw Beard Wash. Now having a beard requires quite a bit of maintenance. I mean, if you're like me and you stopped shaving because you thought, I can't be bothered to waste all that time every day shaving, it was quite a surprise, wasn't it? There's the oils and the balms and the lotions and the combing and the brushing, and of course, not forgetting a made-for-purpose beard wash shampoo soap. Now this is important because your traditional shampoos, like grabbing your wife's shampoo off, it's going to strip all those oils out your beard as they're designed to do, and we've spent so much time, money and effort putting those oils into our beard and getting it where it wants. Now when you use a normal shampoo, you'll notice your beard feels dry, it just feels horrible, and that is why you need something like the Braw Beard Wash, available from, do you know what, I think I'm prepared every time and then I go and mess something up because I've got a terrible brain. It's going to be old boy glasses time. How's this for embarrassing? I could cut, but I can't be bothered. Brawbeardoils.com. There you go, brawbeardoils.com. Nightmare, I really am. It comes in, this is the full size, the 250ml, which will cost you $15.99. And then you can get 100ml travel size, which will cost you $9.99. Sorry, just having a look at there. I love the branding on the Braw products. They look just like top range. They look like they should be there on the high street, except for the fact that the products are bloody good, and most products on the high street are abysmal and awful trash, despite what you hear. I saw a review of the top best 5 oils the other day, or yesterday. They were all high street rubbish. What is this guy on about? And he had stubble. It's a bit like me doing a review for running shoes, isn't it? Drive me mad. Anyway, so the branding, it just looks so stylish, so clean and slick. The labels they're just incredible. You can see their batch number, as all good products should have. There's certain things they have to have because they abide by the EU legislation for cosmetic products. And there it all is. Right, anyway, enough waffling on, Richardson. Now, before I use a product, I don't read up about it, I don't look at anything, I just use it. I just use it because I don't want to be drawn by anything that I read. That can really pull you off, and I'm saying all the wrong things and that pull you off, Jesus. It will draw you to a conclusion without having used it. That's what it can do if you read it. So, in the morning, wash my beard, a few pumps of the old Braw Beard Wash, and it's a clear, not quite clear, but it's got that kind of clearish kind of consistency. Put it in my beard and I'm like, oh, no lather. Otherwise, fair enough, I live in Essex, very, very hard water. Big jobs up in Scotland, soft water, anything will lather like a beast in that water. But indeed, no, I was wrong. This is made from all organic ingredients, and so it will not lather as much as a conventional shampoo. Some of them, you end up... Now, we do expect to lather, don't we? We like it, whether or not it serves a purpose. It's one of those things we expect, and it's not going to do it as much in the hard old Essex water. Now, there are pros and cons to this. Yes, a good old lather makes you feel like you've gotten in and given it a good wash, but then I'm at the sink for ages trying to get the damn stuff out. This left my beard feeling soft, clean. It did exactly what you would want it to do, and it was very easy to rinse out. So I'm kind of like, do I want to lather? Don't I want to lather? It is also unscented. Yes, us beardos, we've all been spoilt by apple scents, toffee scents, mint, ylang and that, but really we don't need it in a shampoo, do we? I mean, come on, we're meant to be these big tough guys and we're after scents in everything we bloody use. Braw Beard Wash. It's bloody good. I tell you what, I've fallen in love with this brand. I've seen them about for a long, long time, heard about their products, and I've been like, I really want to get these on the reviews, As you all know, my previous review was for their beard oil, which I gave the Golden Beard Award. Absolutely incredible. This brand, you are not going to be disappointed by Braw Beard oils, that is what I'm going to say. If you go ahead now, click the link in my reviews on SatonmyButt.co.uk. I know that's not very beard-like, is it? But it did start off as a disability blog and went way off in the different direction. Go and check them out. Get yourself an order in, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed with the product. Of course, that's down to you to choose the scent if it's a beard oil. I'm going way off track. This is a shampoo, bloody. Happens like this. I'm really hurting, so I take a load of morphine to try and make it help, and it gets my brain and it goes blah, 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 and just mashes all my brain up to jelly. Braw Beard Wash. Going to give it a 95 out of 100 because I do like that little bit of lather. I'm a lather whore. Go and check them out. And that is that. Unfortunately, I've had to move on from the Braw. There we go. There's another example. The Braw Beard. I'll see you next time.